I set off to chase those images I can't even think of. Show me a sky fallen among the hills, and lead me to a forest that sings to the wind, where light dances through the trees. Let the clouds of the meadow mark the way, step by step, through the whispering hills. Beyond a sea of stony waves, take me till the boundaries break, and reveal to me the secrets of a lost civilization. Let me cross the White Castle, a marble fortress that endures the wind's assault, defies the sky, and guards its silence. Tell me stories of peaks falling asleep, and push me further, for I long to meet a friend who can turn silence into color. Let me grasp the secrets she holds in her hands, for she is the spirit who carves mountains. Take me higher up, or let the sky fall so I can touch it. Let me discover lands unseen, where the sun rises among the shadows of ancient towers. Lead me along the river till its source, up there where the temple watches over the mountain. Once there, reveal to me that I was guided by a saint, but let the sun be veiled by clouds like a secret, so that my journey will always hold its promise of mystery.